Today's video is going to be short, but hopefully an educational one. After you get an elderberry cutting, you pop it in the ground and watch it grow. It does need a lot of water at the beginning and full sun. You probably won't get fruit the first year, but watch out for the second year. This is cuttings from the American Ranch elderberry. It gets 7 to 8 feet tall, although it is considered a bush. To me, it's more like a tree. I have 2 of these growing, and those 2 produce enough berries for my husband and I all year long. They are determinate, which means they produce all their berries around August of each year, and they are big and bountiful berries. At the end of February or the 1st of March, depending on your growing zone, we cut the entire elderberry bush down. It sounds drastic, but by doing this, it will help the tree grow even bigger and better berries that year. From the 1st of March until the beginning of August, it grows from almost nothing to 7 to 8 feet tall. It grows fast. When we cut it down, we are able to take cuttings from the bush and sell them. I usually put 4 or 5 in a plastic bag and put a wet paper towel in the bottom. I provide instructions to place it in the refrigerator. This will keep them alive from March through May when you plant them. In order to have good cuttings, you have to understand nodes. These are nodes. The bottom node is what goes into the ground. This node is what will produce the roots. The top node is what will be above ground. This node is what will produce the leaves, stems, and berries. One bush will produce approximately 75 cuttings that you can turn around and sell on your homestead. Every little bit helps. We here at SHTF Survival Homestead Teaching Farm appreciate you watching this video. Please continue to help us help you by liking, sharing, and subscribing.